It's time for another upgrade. Uni filter. Looking at getting into these for a while now, because these stock ones are just crap. Don't know what their design was from. I was thinking about going with a K&N, but I have heard bad stories about them letting through dust particles and blowing engines. So thought I'd install one of these, since you don't have to replace them, you can wash them. Already installed one on that bike a few minutes ago. I've already oiled it. No, you're supposed to. I just didn't bother boring you with that much more of a process. So we got that on. Put the cap back on. Now I'll just fire the bike up. Just see if I didn't let enough oil come back out of it when I wipe it off. I'll tell if it runs lean for a second or two. And there you have it. Another deserved upgrade for the Polaris. See you later.